Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing a living room clean with me. So I'm just starting off by taking all of the cushions off the couch as well as moving the ones that are on the floor. We've been teaching Colton how to safely get off the couch, so we have to put some on the floor so that if he does fall, they kind of break his fall. So as you can see, I'm just vacuuming off the couch here, and then I'm going to put the cushions back on and also vacuum those off. Next, I'm just going to clean up this corner. It's kind of where things just get thrown. So our diaper bag's there, and my purse, and a sweater, and then obviously the blankets are sitting there. So I'm just going to tidy that little bit up. So next we are down in the basement. I'm actually going to be washing the blankets that we always keep in the living room that we use when it's cold. So I'm going to wash them though because our dog likes to lay on them, so they start to smell like a dog. So I'm using Tide as our laundry detergent here. So next I'm going to be adding in the OdorKlenz laundry additive liquid. So this is great for getting out those pet smells. It also works on a bunch of other nasty smells that you want to get out of your laundry. So I have a high efficiency washer, so mine goes right in with the detergent. If you have other kinds, it has other instructions for that. So I'm just closing that, and then I'll be starting the washer. Thank you so much to OdorKlenz for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love OdorKlenz products, so I'm so excited to be sharing them with you guys today. Okay, so back to the living room. I'm just going to be spraying down this little side table we have here and cleaning that off with an all-purpose cleanser, and then I'll also be cleaning off the windowsill thing and then spraying that down as well. Next, I'm moving on to this bookshelf, so I'm just cleaning off any of the clutter or garbage that is up on there, and then I'll also be spraying this down and cleaning it with an all-purpose cleanser. going over to the TV area. I'm just cleaning off these speakers. They always get super dusty. And then I'll also be spraying down the entire TV stand and cleaning that. It always gets really dusty. I think because it's black, you can really see the dust. And finally, I'll be vacuuming the entire room. I always like to do this last because I find all the like dust and gross stuff falls to the floor, and then I can just vacuum it up at the end. And there you have it. That is today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check the description bar down below for a coupon code for OdorKlenz. You guys can get some money off if you want to try out their product. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.